Hi guys, uh, I'm making this an updated video on the one I previously put up a good while ago. It's regarding the error code 22 on the Mac. I figured out the solution anyway to what was causing the problem with installing it. I'm going to show you it here. Is we click on to disk utility, okay, disk utility app, go in there. Okay, down here we have the volume, what type it is, and then all the Mac computers or previous versions, they were all case sensitive volumes, and that was the problem. And in the newest version of the Mac, it's APFS volumes. Okay, so when you update to the newest version of Mac, it makes it an insensitive volume. Therefore, Creative Cloud works. Okay, that is the solution I found to fix the problem. I'm sorry if people had seen the previous video. I was actually putting it up, so hoping somebody could help me to find the answer. Although I think everybody thought that video was for the fix, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, if you can't upgrade to the newest version, the only thing you can really do is clone your hard drive or back it up. You definitely need to back it up anyway. Even before, if you were going to upgrade, it's always important to have a backup. So the way you would start about this is going back into your disk utility. So you would definitely need to make sure you have cloned or backed up your computer. So because partitioning your hard drive and changing it will delete everything on the hard drive. So in here, it probably asks you to erase by selecting Mac or selecting whatever hard drive part you have there. When you partition it, erases everything anyway. But here's just an example to add a volume. See down here the format. There's encrypted, case sensitive, encrypted, which means that it's better protected. That's really what it is. That's all. So you would make a partition like this, and it would delete everything on your computer, but it would change the volume type to insensitive. If you are going to take this step, you should definitely do your homework about partitioning your disk. Okay, and look up about cloning and backing up. It's a must. If you want me to make videos on exact steps of partitioning and what you need to do, or even what way to clone or back up, leave comments. And if there's enough of them, I demand I make videos on them. Okay, and don't give me a hard time. This is only my second video. I wouldn't be making it only for I seen all the comments and actually how many people had this problem. Anyway, I hope this video helps you, and I'm sorry if the other video was misleading, but I hope you all can just update to Mac Adobe, the newest version, because it's so much simpler. Yeah, thanks for your time. Give a like and subscribe, please, because it'll make the video get out to more people who need it.